everyone! Have you ever wondered why certain insects can walk on water or why water beads up on a freshly waxed car? It's all thanks to a fascinating phenomenon known as surface tension. Today I'm going to dive into the microscopic world to explain how surface tension works and why it's so important, especially in fields like pharmaceutical manufacturing. Let's start by understanding the basics. Surface tension occurs due to the cohesive forces between liquid molecules. Imagine millions of tiny water molecules holding hands tightly. This is what happens at the surface of water. These molecules are attracted more strongly to each other than to the air above, creating a sort of skin on the water's surface that can support weight and resist external force. Now visualize this with our 3D animation. Notice how the water molecules at the surface link together, forming a barrier. This is why when a light object like a leaf or a water strider bug lands on the surface, it doesn't sink. The molecules are holding onto each other so tightly that they create enough tension to support the object. But wait, there's more. What about interfacial tension? Well, while surface tension deals with the same fluid, interfacial tension occurs between two different fluids, like oil and water. Here, the molecular attraction is weaker because different fluids generally have less affinity for each other compared to similar molecules. Our animation shows how these two fluids interact, illustrating the weaker connections and how they behave at the interface. Understanding these phenomena isn't just academic, it has practical applications too, especially in the pharmaceutical industry. For example, knowing about surface and interfacial tension helps scientists design better drug delivery systems. It affects how small droplets form and behave, which is crucial for creating consistent and effective medications. So next time you see a raindrop sitting perfectly on a leaf, or notice medicine droplets in a spray, remember, it's all about the incredible science of surface and interfacial tension working on a microscopic scale. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.